Hey guys, headed out to do a little bit of ice fishing. It's March 7th. It's like one of the coldest winters on record so far. So we're still over 30 inches of ice, even though today it's 39 right now. The truck's saying 39. We're gonna get out there, we're gonna try to get bluegill, and then once it gets dark, we're gonna try to get crappie. Yeah, so this is the first day it's been over freezing since New Year's, so, you know, the fish should be active and we should catch a few. Sorry about the noise, the wind. We have the ice shack in here, and it's we have to have the trunk open because it's too big. So we'll get back to you, and hopefully we'll get back to you with some fish.
My car's like getting pulled into it. It's like pulling me into it. It's weird. These snowmobile trails look pretty good right now.
Yeah, I know, they actually do look really good. Oh yeah, there's one guy out there. He's got a big red truck out there.
He's like right out where I was planning on going.
Thought this is America.
Like the snout on this thing, just like real solid. And
Yeah, he's a little thicker.
Yeah, put him in. Look at him at the camera, Steve.
that's the sunfish. Remember the sunfish I caught last time out
Yeah,
here?
it was a good sunfish.
Dude, that thing was a brute.
There it is. Look at him. It's in my field of vision. Oh, fucker stole my worm. Give me my worm.
Lake Lorraine is treating me well so far. This ice game.
God, you've caught like one of every species.
Yeah, no kidding. Man.
I'm gonna try throwing a plastic on there, because I'm losing waxies pretty quick. Got one?
Yep. Now that's small.
Put him in front of the camera.
He did.
Oh, okay.
He got it.
Just so they know. There we go.
Got one. Oh, this hook.
Hooked up.
What?
I said
Hooked up.
Gotta retie. Did you tell them we were catching them like right off the bottom when you were out there?
No, because we're not.
Or right off the.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
Probably 43 inches.
There we go. That one's
I had him right up
weight.
next to shore, and he finally realized he was hooked. And I'm like, and the hook popped out, and I'm like, grab him! Because my buddy was ready to grab him. He had boots on. He grabs him around the tail, and it just.
There we go.
That one.
Are they right at that same level?
Yeah. You got the video going?
Yeah. We haven't caught one worth keeping.
Nope. Send a little luck down your hole.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay.
If I catch another one here, I would suggest finding the smallest jig head you have. Because I put on the smallest one I got.
Did you clean those fish up last night? Or?
They're in the freezer right now. We didn't cut them up yet though.
Yeah.
We were hoping that we'd get some today.
I might.
There's another one.
God, it's even smaller. Should have had this thing on last
I
night.
had one on, I didn't even know it.
Yeah, we should have.
We actually did decent last night.
Did you guys catch quite a few more?
No,
After
none.
No.
were they done? Or?
Got a few bites, but
Well, the tank started putzing, so we decided that we didn't want to screw in another propane tank,
Oh, okay.
and we left.
Oh, that bastard took my worm.
oh, I just had another one.
Worm me, please.
Yeah, one sec. I got another fish.
Okay.
Nice, man.
Yeah, whopper. Really cool. God, this one's really dark. I mean, don't be jealous of a bluegill this big. I don't think they get much bigger than this. Got your camera on?
Yeah. Nice.
Whopper. Oh, jeez, the glare out there is fucking. My eyes hurt.
Turning the heater off. It's too hot. Where are the worms at? Do you have them, Jared?
They're right here.
Oh. Thanks.
Jeez, I need like sunglasses on to look outside.
Yeah.
Did you turn it off?
No.
Oh.
There's a crappie.
Big?
No.
No.
He's a small one though. Damn it. Of course, it was right when I turned the camera off.